Looking to refresh your Snoogle pillow without switching up your sleep setup? The Snoogle replacement cover offers a simple solution to keep your pillow feeling and looking brand new. Crafted with a soft polyester-cotton blend, this cover fits the original Snoogle Total Body Pillow perfectly, so you get the comfort you love, with a fresh look to match. When I first bought my Snoogle, it quickly became an essential part of my nightly routine. But after months of use, the cover started to show signs of wear. Finding a replacement cover was a relief. It fits just like the original, with no zippers or buttons to interrupt comfort. That means you can position your pillow any way you want without feeling anything poking through. The sham-style design is easy to slip on, and best of all, it's machine washable, so keeping your pillow clean is hassle-free. If you're someone who values both comfort and convenience, this cover is worth a look. It's made in the US with a durable 65% polyester and 35% cotton blend that stands up to regular washing. Plus, it's more affordable than buying a whole new pillow, making it a smart choice for anyone who already loves their Snoogle. Just remember, the pillow itself isn't included. This is a cover replacement only. Ready to give your Snoogle a fresh start without sacrificing the comfort you depend on? Try the Snoogle replacement cover when you're ready. It's a straightforward upgrade that keeps your favorite pillow feeling like new, night after night.